morning students, this is for class 12 subject biology chapter 4 and today we will discuss the homework solutions of lecture 2. So first question that I gave in homework is, what do you think is the significance of reproductive health in a society? And significances are given here. So first, awareness about the normal functioning of reproductive organs. So a person of a good reproductive healthy society will be aware about the normal functioning of the reproductive organs. Second thing, use of birth control methods to keep the family size in check. For a reproductively healthy society, a small family size is very necessary. So for that, use of birth control methods is necessary. And these birth control methods means you can say contraception methods are also necessary to prevent the sexually transmitted diseases from getting transmitted. Next is eliminating the differences between male and female child, means both should be given equal importance, emphasizing on the benefits of breastfeeding and the importance of postnatal care. Means breastfeeding is necessary to increase the immune power of a newborn baby, and also the postnatal cares means the after the birth care of mother as well as the newborn baby is significant for a reproductively healthy society. Next question is, suggest aspects of reproductive health which need to be given special attention in the present scenario. So which thing we need to give special attention, that is aspect of reproductive health. First is importance of contraception in preventing sexual transmitted disease, that we have discussed in previous question also, that contraception must be used for preventing the transmission of STDs. Next is by spreading awareness about the safe and hygienic sexual practices. Next is by providing counseling to the teenagers, that is necessary for the teenagers so that they can know about the physical changes and the hormonal changes that are occurring in their body. Next is by giving importance to the post childbirth care of the females, that also we have discussed in the previous question. Benefits of breastfeeding to young ones to increase the immune power. Now next question is sex education necessary in schools? Why? Yes, obviously sex education is necessary for schools because it's very essential for a child to receive the right information. Okay, because due to lack of the sex education, child can get wrong information about the sexual practices. So here, for receiving the right information by the child about the changes in the adolescence, means the physical changes, hormonal changes, and the safe sex practices, appropriate use of contraception methods through a proper channel. Next is, do you think that reproductive health in our society has improved in past 50 years? If yes, mention some such areas of improvement. Yes, reproductive health has been improved in last 50 years, and the areas of improvement are: government has introduced programs such as family planning to introduce the concept of small family. Okay, second thing, program regarding the mother and child care were introduced. Next is, hospitals have been equipped with machine and facilities which were required in childbirth and newborn care. Next is, improved version of contraception has been introduced. Improved version of contraception like oral pills, hormonal injections. Next is, what are the suggested reasons for the population explosion? And the suggested reason is, the population is increasing at a rapid pace because there has been an improvement in the medical facilities and supply of food, awareness, well-being and hygiene, which led to the increase in the birth rate and decrease in the death rate. Next question is the use of contraceptives justified? Give reason. Obviously, use of contraceptives is very beneficial, okay, and how it is beneficial? So these are the ways due to which these contraceptives use is beneficial. First, mechanical contraceptive devices have a significant role in preventing sexually transmitted disease. Okay, from the starting of chapter we are discussing that the contraceptive methods are useful to prevent the STD's transmission. Next is intrauterine devices help a couple to keep space between two children. Next is they prevent female from unwanted pregnancies and abortions. Okay, due to unwanted pregnancies, female need to undergo abortion, and that is very bad for the health of the woman. That's why these contraception methods are beneficial in that case. They help the couple to keep the family size in control, and that is helpful for the reproductively healthy society. So, use of contraceptive methods is justified. Next is removal of gonads cannot be considered as a contraception. Why? Gonads present in our body, means in male testes is present for the formation of sperms, and in female ovaries are present for the formation of ova. But along with the formation of these sperms, these gonads also release some hormones. Those are necessary for the normal health of a person. If these gonads are removed, so obviously there will be no formation of gametes, means sperms or ova. But what about the hormones? Those are released by these gonads. Those will also be not released in the body, and that will carry several other health problems. Okay. Next question is, amniocentesis for sex determination is banned in our country. Is this ban necessary? Comment. So you know what is amniocentesis? In this technique, amniotic fluid of the developing fetus is taken, and what is present in that amniotic fluid? Cells of the fetus. Okay, shed of cells of the fetus are present there, and these cells are then checked for the chromosomal abnormalities. So this is for the benefit of the society, so that if there is any chromosomal abnormality in the developing fetus, it can be aborted. But some people use it in a negative way, means by after the amniocentesis they could know about the sex of the developing fetus, and if that is a female, then they use it for the female feticide. So to keep a check on the female feticide, amniocentesis is banned in our country.